Let's go live now to Eyewitness News reporter Alicia Nieves, who's down the shore. She's in Vintner, where the sheer amount of snow is challenging road crews there. Alicia?
Well, Jess, this is the kind of snowfall that has road crews in this area really trying to figure out, where do you put all the snow? Most are moving it into mounds and plowing it into mounds like this, but then the gusty winds over here are blowing that right back into the roadway, and it really is a challenge to keep the roadways clear around here. That is why so many towns around the shore have all of their DPW crews still out and about. The Jersey Shore looking far from the sunny summer retreat it is known to be. You can easily confuse this bay near Margate City for an Arctic terrain. Parts of the water are solid blocks of ice with boats frozen in place.
I think I want to move down to Florida now.
Margate resident Scott Morgan, not a fan of the bitter blast of cold weather recently, and certainly not a fan of all the snow that fell here yesterday.
The news I thought was going to overhype it, but you guys were actually on point. So I was kind of mad that you guys were on point.
As predicted, the storm slammed many parts of the shore with more than a foot of snow. Margate City got about 16 inches in less than 24 hours. So many are digging out today.
I've been out here for 4 hours total so far this morning, and then I'll go until dark and then tomorrow again.
Dominic Coladonato has to shovel 20 homes for homeowners out of town.
This is number 4 of 20.
Meanwhile, John Lombardi in Ventnor City digs his car out. He can't believe it's completely covered like this.
I almost turned around and went back inside, but we definitely had to get mobile to get things out so we could eat and drink and things like that, you know. But
yeah.
we were prepared a little bit, but I was not prepared for this intense of a storm, not at all.
Yeah, so many people said they really thought we would only get like maybe 5 inches of snow. They didn't believe that we would get a foot or over a foot of snow in the first week of January. Now so many are just hoping that eventually this stuff melts and that's it for snowfall this year. For now, reporting live in Ventnor City, Alicia Nieves, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Aren't we all? Alicia, thank you.